Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Starting with the next chapter, more about Windows. And to begin with this chapter, we have our first topic as MS Windows, a brief history. This includes operating system. So what is operating system? The operating system is the main software of a computer. This is the one on which computer operates. It manages its resources and its working. MS Windows is an operating system software developed by Microsoft Corporation USA. The first version of Windows was introduced in 1985 with the name Windows 1.0. Now many versions have been released till then. Such versions are Windows 95, which was launched in the year 1995, Windows 98, the year of launch was 1998, Windows XP in 2001, Windows 7 in 2009, whereas the current Windows 10 was launched in 2015. These versions are capable of operating on touchscreen devices like mobile, laptops and ATMs. Such devices are called touchscreen devices. Now students, our next topic is Aero feature of Windows 7. This Aero feature consists of three main features such as Aero Peek, Aero Snap and Aero Shake. By Aero Peek feature, it allows us to work on computer easily when many windows are opened on the desktop. It has two buttons like Show Desktop button and Taskbar Preview button. Show Desktop button lies at the right edge of the taskbar, and by clicking this button, all windows open on the computer get minimized and we directly see the desktop. Our next is Taskbar button. This button helps to have a quick view of what is there inside a window by just pointing at its icon on the taskbar. Now it's come Aero Snap feature. This feature allows us to quickly resize a window so that we can view two windows side by side. How do we can just hold the windows side by side? We can just do it just by dragging it from the title bar, and this will resize a window and quickly bring it one side by side. Now we have the next feature, Aero Shake. It allows us to quickly minimize every open window except the one we are shaking. That means only the window which we are shaking will remain open. All other will get closed. Our next topic is searching for file, folder and program. Somehow we forget where we saved a file. For that we use search feature present in Windows 7. Step to search a file or folder is just click on the start button, type a word in the search box, look for the desired file displayed in the list and select the file you need to open. Now the next topic is switching between the windows. To switch between two or more windows open, we can easily switch by clicking on their taskbar icon. The one you will click will be active and will come all over other windows. You can also use Alt plus Tab key combination to switch between two windows. Now we can learn to arrange windows on the desktop. So windows can be arranged on the desktop in three ways. These three ways are cascading, stacked window and windows side by side. How can we do so? We just right click on the taskbar. A shortcut menu will appear and containing all these three options. Just select the one you like and the windows will be arranged accordingly. Our next topic is pinning a program to the taskbar. You can pin your favorite program to the taskbar by just single click of a mouse. So how we can pin a program? Just we have to press the start button, all program, select the required program, right click on it and select the option pin to the taskbar from the shortcut menu that appears. The program will get pinned to the taskbar. Whenever a mouse is moved over a taskbar icon, a list of program appears. This list is called the jump list. Now the next topic is customizing the taskbar. Customizing means to change the taskbar properties according to our needs. The step to do so is just right click on the empty taskbar area, select properties option. This will open up task and start menu property dialog box. Click on the taskbar tab, select the property as required and click OK.